Hey guys, let's make some quick and easy and fun mini Valentine's Day buckets. Let's jump right in. Here is a bag that I will put 3 cookies in. These cookies taste so good. I've had way too many already. So like I said, I'm going to put about 3 cookies in each of these bags, and then they will go inside of the acrylic buckets. We also have some open white pink buckets with the different color hearts on it, but I love these acrylic buckets, and it comes with a top and the ribbon attached to the top for easy opening. So here I'm going to just fill the second bag so we can go ahead and put it in the second bucket. So now that we've added the cookies, we're going to go ahead and add some candy. These are candy bracelets. They are very pretty, colorful, and we're going to add them to all 4 buckets. And of course, Valentine's Day treats will not be complete without more candy and chocolate. So here are some candied lips, and then we're gonna add some hard chocolates in these pretty little bags that say Happy Valentine's Day. We're gonna add a few to each, and then we also have these hearted red containers, which I love. It comes with a tag that also says Happy Valentine's Day. So now that we're finished adding all of the chocolates and candy, we're going to add some toys. So here are pretty fun unicorn toys that spin and light up. And then we're going to add some stuffed animals at the end. And if you're familiar with most of my videos, it is not complete without adding some decorative shredding. Pretty red decorative shredding, just to give it a surprise factor so you can't see exactly what is in each bucket. So we're going to go ahead and fill all of them. And then at the end, we're going to add a glittery stuffed animal. So stay tuned. And Valentine's Day really isn't complete without pretty stuffed animals. If you go back to my video I posted just a few days ago, these are the red ones I put in the large Valentine's Day buckets. Check out that video. Okay, so here we have our pretty pink stuffed animals that are going to go in the big acrylic buckets, and it fits like so. So you can't see anything that's in it, which makes it fun because it's like opening a Christmas gift, right? Now let's go ahead and add some glittery ribbon to the handles just to give it that extra beautiful look.